Hello, hello. So, hi there. Tonight is the first night that I am back in my car. Yes, back in my car, insinuating that I was once in my car previously. Yes, I used to sleep in my car previously, and I am going to do that again. Why am I going to do that again? Well, one reason is because rent is ass. You're taking your money and you're just throwing it into a woody dong, a black hole, a bottomless hole. Um, and yeah, that's not what I'm really trying to do. I'm really trying to invest my money and put it towards something worthwhile, something that's going to actually build my kingdom up versus struggling and barely making ends meet to, you know, prop someone else up. So that's one thing. Like, I'm not trying to put my money towards anything that I cannot own. Um, Second reason I'm staying in my car is because I just want to live. I want to be able to live. I like to travel. I want to be able to travel when I can. I want to be able to actually afford groceries when I actually need them. You know, I'm trying to be healthy, get on my health tip and everything. So I want to actually go to the grocery store when I need to go versus not going and having to result in like eating a bunch of processed foods and stuff like that. That's not really going to help me out in the long run. Yeah, so that's the next reason. Um, and yeah, I just feel that it's time to set myself free. Um, the reason I'm in this predicament, the reason why I feel that I have to live check to check is dealing with my past. You know, I went through divorce, going through child support, um, and you know I don't really have like a solid relationship with other family members. So that's the reason why I have to result in this sort of lifestyle just to be able to um, take care of myself. You know, just to take care of my basic needs. I cannot afford to be in an apartment, and that's the sad reality of it. Sad reality of the situation in the U.S. You know, you're underpaid and you're forced to work just to sleep. I'm not trying to work just to sleep. I want to live, and I'm choosing to live. And yeah, so that's what this is about. You know, I'm not gonna I'm not gonna drag on. I'm gonna keep it short. Yeah. So in Chinese, 你好，我的朋友，欢迎来到我的家。这是我的家，因为呃呃，我的老家是很贵，我不可能给他们钱，我没有钱，所以我睡觉在我的汽车。嗯，我觉得如果我想要快乐多话excuse me 多话的话，我应该住在我的汽车。嗯，what else? Um, I think that's about it. 呃，今天晚上呃有点冷， Dan shi bujidao dan shi. Well, 再见我的朋友. And I don't know, I'll make another video soon, and update you on my progress. And I don't know, I'm just trying to make it. Take care out there. Be wise. Gather wisdom. Don't let negative relationships bring you down. Don't let toxic people bring you down. And do what you think is right. No matter what anyone says, sometimes you have to go against the grain. And that's what I intend to do. Again. But this time, I'm going to have some permanent success with it.